Hi there! Before we get started digging into different types of data structures and algorithms, I want to talk about what are data structures and why do we need them. One sentence description of data structure would be that they are basically different ways of storing data on our computer. This sentence might not be clear right now, so let me give you a concrete example here. Let's say we have a bunch of woods here, and it can be easily seen that they are not organized. So if we want to choose a black color wood, we face a problem here. We need to check all of them one by one and to find out the black one. Since these items are not in organized way, selecting black one is time consuming and difficult. Okay, let's look at the organized way of these items. What have we done here? We have just taken the unorganized items and put them in an organized way. So selecting a black wood from this list is very easy and it takes less time to find it. We know that it's obviously seen that it's here. So when it comes to data structures, we are doing same thing that we have done here, organizing the items. It's very clear that all softwares are dealing with data, so they do some operations based on given data. Before processing the data, we have to organize data in a certain way that makes the process very efficient. From software application performance point of view, the efficiency and the performance of software depends on how the data is stored, organized, and grouped together during program execution. Every day during our daily lives, we can see various types of data structures. There might be a crowd of people who want to get a ticket from the concert, but without organized way, it becomes almost impossible to get ticket. The organized way of people to get ticket is queue. It's also called queue data structure in computer science, which is first in and first out. As you see from the picture, a person who comes first buys tickets first. So this is called first in first out in computer science. Another example is, imagine there's a bunch of books on the table and you want to return them to the library. It's obvious that without organized way of ordering, we cannot carry these books. On the other hand, if we order them in this way, it becomes easier to carry them, and this reminds us stack data structures in computer science. Okay, we understand that we use data structures to make our application very efficient, but the problem is that there are many different types of data structures. So which one should we choose for best performance of software or app? You will find an answer to this question throughout this course, while explaining all data structures and their use cases. And this is the main reason why big companies like Google, Apple, Amazon, or Facebook ask questions about data structures and algorithms from the candidates during their interview process. A professional software developer has to know which data structure to choose for a particular app, which has a direct effect on the performance. So that's all for this video. In the next video, we will examine what's an algorithm.